Let's start this, boys.
What's up, guys? Me, Caden, Dalen,
Yep. Or Zeke the Sleek here.
I'm not rolling down.
Trucks Talks.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, this is our friend. We don't even know if he has an account yet. Whatever.
We're not doing anything.
What is that? What? Move, Landon. Move your head. What is that?
Oh, you got stuck inside the ground.
What?
You got stuck in the ground.
Did not.
Alright, here it comes, Dan.
Oh, gotta go. Shake it more. Landon, shake it some more.
No, save some. Save some for the pork.
Landon, let me shake it. You good? He tripping.
I'll go help him. I'll go help him.
Go help him. This boy needs some milk. What the hell, boy? What the hell? Get him.